Do you want to blow up on Instagram and YouTube? Then you have to start creating videos like these as soon as possible because these are in a niche that is not yet saturated and therefore has massive potential for you to go viral. For instance, this channel just has over 50 videos and is already at 463,000 subscribers. They've gained over 20 million views in the last month and are likely making thousands of dollars. Here is an Instagram account that has gained over 110,000 followers from just 63 posts. The niche I'm talking about is dark psychology, and the videos here are all AI generated with simple footage, basic editing, and an AI voiceover. So today I'm going to show you a very easy way to create similar reels and shorts using one single AI tool. So you can make the most of this opportunity and blow up on shorts and reels without spending hours trying to script, record, or edit your videos. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The tool I'm going to use for this is InVideo AI because it's so easy that all you have to do is add a simple text prompt and it will generate a ready to publish video for you without you having to script, shoot, or edit. Let's first start by finding the right ideas for this niche. Head on over to ChatGPT and ask for 10 YouTube short ideas in the field of dark psychology. Now, I really like this one, common manipulation techniques, because manipulation is a very popular subgenre in the dark psychology niche and content on this topic usually tends to do really well. So I'm going to go ahead with this. With that, let's log into our InVideo account on ai.invideo.io, and this will bring us directly to the window with the prompt box. Now, how you write the prompt here is where the magic lies. So I'm going to show you how to write a killer prompt, and the template is going to be in the description below so you can copy and tweak it to whatever video you're creating. Let's go ahead and click on this drop down on the top right and choose YouTube Shorts as the workflow. This just makes it a lot easier to engineer our prompt because we just need to fill in the blanks. The first thing we need to do is write our topic in detail. Make a video on 5 dark psychology hacks people use to manipulate you. Now, since we've given it a very powerful title, I want the video to use the title as the hook. After that, I'm going to give it instructions on language and structure. Keep the language colloquial but firm, make sure the script is crisp, and write it in the form of advice. The overall mood of the video should be suspenseful, the pacing of the video needs to be fast, and it needs to have a lot of stock media. The music needs to be fast-paced and suspenseful, and the aim of the video is to hook the audience and give them advice on how to deal with manipulators. So now, as you can see with this hook, we have covered several different parameters, which is what we want the hook to look like, what is the kind of language we want, what is the overall mood of the video that we want, what do we want the pacing of the video to be like, what do we want the music to be like, and what is the aim of the video. With that, we will then go ahead and choose our voiceover. We want to go with a British male because I feel that voice will go really well with the topic. And then we want it to show subtitles. Now, when you click on continue, InVideo AI will do its analysis and then it will ask you for a few more details such as the target audience you want and the look and feel that you want for your video based on your prompt. Once you select those and click on generate after choosing it, InVideo will create your first draft in just a few minutes. Let's take a look at the first few seconds of the video to see what it looks like.
5 dark psychology hacks manipulators use to take advantage of you. Number 1, gaslighting, a tactic to make you question your own sanity. They twist the truth, making you the villain. Beware. Number 2, the silent treatment, a manipulator's classic. They starve you of communication, leaving you desperate for resolution.
Basically, in just 5 minutes, the AI created a full-fledged YouTube short complete with the right script, stock footage, music, voiceover, and subtitles. What do you think of the video? Would you publish it? I think we can actually take it live like this, but why not make some minor tweaks that will make the video go from great to epic? Now, there are 3 ways that you can make changes to this video. If you don't like the overall feel and structure of the video, you can use this plus icon right above the canvas area and change the audience type and the look and feel, or you can choose to edit the prompt itself. Doing this will prompt the AI to create a completely new draft of the video. We obviously don't want that. We only want to make a couple of adjustments. So we can choose the edit option right below the canvas, and this gives us the option to edit the media and the script. Now, when you click on the edit script option, it opens up your entire script, and here you can simply make changes to the text however you want. So if you want to make sentences shorter or add a few words here and there, you can go ahead and do that. You can also make major changes like removing complete sentences, and this will change the voiceover and the B-roll accordingly. Now, in case of the media, if you want to change specific clips that the AI has chosen, you can use the edit media option, and this opens up the media timeline where you can see all the clips that have been used. To change a clip, simply select it here on top, and you can either search for another clip using the stock library search option, or you can upload your own images and video clips using the uploads option.
I, for instance, don't like this clip, so I'm going to select it on the timeline, and then I'm going to use the stock library search option to search for a different clip. Once I find the one that I like, I will simply click on it and it will get placed on top of the original clip, meaning that it has indeed been replaced.
You can do this for as many clips as you like and have minute control over the exact clips you want for your videos. Now we come to the best and the easiest way to make changes to your video. And this is actually perfect if you really want to automate the entire process. You simply need to use the command box to prompt the AI to make the changes you want. You can ask it to add, delete, or change scenes, rewrite certain parts of the script, change the music, increase or decrease the volume, change the theme, switch up the media, and so much more. I, for instance, want to make the music more dramatic.
5 dark psychology hacks manipulators use to take advantage of you. Number 1, gaslighting, a tactic to make you question your own sanity. They twist the truth, making you the villain. Beware.
Doesn't that sound so much better? I also want to add transitions between each clip. And with that, our video is ready. In case you give it a prompt and you don't like the result that has come up, you can always press this undo arrow and go back to the previous version and try again. Now, let's preview our final results.
5 dark psychology hacks manipulators use to take advantage of you. Number 1, gaslighting, a tactic to make you question your own sanity. They twist the truth, making you the villain. Beware. Number 2, the silent treatment, a manipulator's classic. They starve you of communication, leaving you desperate for resolution. Number 3, love bombing. They shower you with affection, only to withdraw it when you least expect it. A roller coaster of emotions, designed to keep you off balance. 4th, guilt tripping. They play the victim, making you feel guilty for their mistakes. And finally, triangulation. They use others as tools to create tension, jealousy, and uncertainty. They sit back and watch the drama unfold. Remember, knowledge is power. Understand these tactics, stay vigilant, and watch the puppet master lose their strings.
Okay, now for the verdict. What do you think? I think that was splendid. And that if you're looking to make a viral YouTube short or reel or TikTok, this is the tool that you need to be using. You can make up to 4 videos a week for free, and you can always upgrade to InVideo's paid plan if you want to make more. Plus, you can always access our 24/7 support team if you run into any issues using this little chat box right here. The response time is less than 30 seconds. Now, once your video is rendered, go ahead and click on export right below the canvas. Then you can just download the video and simply upload it to your channel. Make sure you post consistently to increase your chances of growing your account. And don't forget to check out this video next to see how we created an entire short film using this very AI tool.